good afternoon. So what's the best way to move around? It's to cycle. Yeah. So I was stuck at the hotel and had nothing to do, so just go out, cycle around and see what's here. Let's go. It's like Manila. It's so like Manila. Cycling kit, of course. Okay, sa Bikutan na tayo. Sa TNF station ng Bikutan. Ito yun eh. Init lang. Ito yun eh. TNF station ng Bikutan. Init-init na nga eh. Kaya magalag mo. Ito. O, diba? Ano ba? Good. Grabe ako dito. Hindi dumadaan pa. Tapos, ang lakas ko. Ayop. But it's just like Philippines. There's a parking on the roadside, but it's a legal parking. Oh, C5 na tayo. C5 na to. Diba? Roundabout. sa kamay. Ito Hal. Sakit pa ng kamay ko. Ayun o. Ayun, sakit na ng kamay ko. Kontek. Luli yan sa'yo. Oh, diba? I don't know where am I now, but this is nice. Feels like I'm outside Singapore. I'm in Indonesia. Oh, diba? Mercure. Ah, ito pala yung Mercure Hotel. Okay. Ay, pa mga building dito. Pusit lang. What's that? I don't know. Yung Buddha Chuchi. Swiss Hotel. Doon. Summer cycling. Cut you. Talaga ng plate number mo eh. Chuchi Hospital. Chuchi. Ay ko. Ang sakit. Sakit lang, sakit. Ay ko. Ayan. Oh, Gold Coast. Okay, let's go. Ay. Wherever you are. Ayan. It's nice. Yeah, it's a good decision that I cycled. Kasi if I cycle, I can easily go anywhere I want. Unlike walking, it's quite tiring. Ay, couples na naman. Kaya bang aking buhay sakit ng kamay. Okay, so from here we'll just roam around. Because this is the destination. I'm gonna get burger. Let's see what can I get from here. Caught it. Oh, this is nice. This is like I don't know. Feels like I don't know also. What's the nearest? No, I think this. I have no comparison for this. Yeah. Let's go. So this like looks like a park or like it's like they're developing it yet. It's peaceful. This is a riverside. I think this is like sea. Yeah, I think this is about the seaside. Yeah, see. It's still like 4:35. So I still have more time to just roam around and see what is here. Oops. So yeah, that's why it's close. Sentosa na tayo. This is nice. It's like siyang alabang. Oo. So I'm looking for a burger place. You know me. At least I eat burger at least once in my whole stay. So yeah. This bicycle lane. This green one. Fortunately we have. But he doesn't really follow it that much.